It's a great day for hockey cards, and today, someone put a stamp on Connor McDavid's face. It's 2020-2021 Upper Deck Allure Hockey, featuring Connor McDavid all over the box. There's your odds. We should pull an auto out of here, so that's kind of what we're looking for, to hit a nice auto. Get right into it. So this is, forget how many packs do we get in here? We get 8 cards per pack and 8 packs per box. This is nothing like Topps Finest, which we recently opened, where you get 400 packs and 3,000 cards per box. So check out that video if you haven't seen it. Do you like Connor McDavid? Because this box has Connor McDavid. We put your Connor McDavid inside your Connor McDavid. Let's get right into it. Topps. Upper Deck Allure. Very similar to OPG Platinum. Lots of parallels, lots of shiny. There's Alex Ovechkin. What is the deal with everything sticking? Vitaly Kravtsov rookie. Alex DeBrincat. And a Connor McDavid. I believe this is a black rainbow. So, boom, McDavid right off the bat. There's Martin Kaut, grand entrance. Gillies Gills Sen. So these are short printed. The blue rookies are short printed rookies. Michael DiPietro and Jonathan Hooby Dooby Dooberdo. Kind of shocking how they were eliminated from the playoffs so easily. Team was a lot of fun to watch this year. There's Cale Makar. Sticking to Bowen Byram rookie. Sticking to Sidney Crosby, who's not sticking to an Evgeni Malkin red rainbow. That's one for the PC. There's a Jordan Bennington. Green Court, 17/99. Sharp looking card. Tyler Benson rookie, a Willie Karlsson, and a Kiefer, You're a Real Superstar Bellows rookie. Dustin Brown. We've got Nicholas Baudin rookie. Black Rainbow of Petey. An iced out of Evgeni Malkin. I don't think I have that one. Oliu Levy, J.G. Pajot, Nikita Kucherov, and Nico Hischier. I like Allure. I'm a fan of this product because it's so much like OPG Platinum, and I love that product. Brady Tkachuk, Gino Malkin, Carey Price. We've got an orange slice of Mark Stone. Not numbered. Bowen Byram grand entrance. This is a Josh Norris rookie. That's a nice one, short print. Jake Ottinger and Andrei Svechnikov. Timothy Liljegren, who is stuck to Mark Stone. There's a black rainbow Connor McMichael, also nice. Oh, look, we got a jersey card. Cal Palmieri. Red rainbow jersey. And behind that, boom, Alexis Lafreniere, short print rookie, followed by Artemi Panarin. Is that Palmieri numbered? It is not. Mark Giordano. There's a Laffy, his base rookie. John Tavares. We've got a Jake Evans rookie. What is that? That is a red rainbow. A Silly Selly for Travis Konechny. Matisse, rest in peace. Short print rookie. Ty Dellandrea and Carter Hart. Down to 2 packs. Tomas Hurdle. Eh. Martin Kaut. David Pasternak Black Rainbow. And that is a really nice auto. We've got a Jason Robertson. Scribs on there. Grand entrance. Not numbered. Very nice pull. Pavel Francouz. Bo Horvat. Peyton Krebs. Nick Foligno. Final pack. Pretty happy with this box. Why do we have 2 cards turned? Alexander Barkov, and there is Jacob Vrana. Nick Robertson, grand entrance. There's a Jill Sen double rainbow. What does it mean? Liam Foudy, Sherpant rookie. And to wrap it up, we've got an Alex Belzile rookie. And there you have it. 2020-2021 Upper Deck Allure Hockey. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.